any one of these areas, deter, detect, assess, respond, any one of these areas that are weak can allow the attack to succeed. All it takes is one weak link in the chain. This again addresses the need for a layered security approach. And this is an example of all the different factions and layers that we might implement as countermeasures to help protect the physical security of our facility. Again, an example of the layered approach, the various areas where we need to implement security, and the various countermeasures we might implement regarding those security objectives.